Look at that. It just moves around. On this video, we're going to take a quick look at the Geiber pizza stone. Stay tuned for the whole video and the recipe. If you're like me and you love making pizzas or pita pizzas, well, then you kind of have to get away with this. When you heat this up in the oven, it creates tons of smoke, and I'm just too lazy, honestly, to line it up. So I decided to finally buy a pizza stone. This is by Geiber. I mean, I compare this to like a tile. So you want to be gentle with this because it can crack. Now, you're thinking of buying this and you've seen reviews of people saying, well, it cracked after I took it out of the oven and started washing it under the sink. Well, that is because when you have a sudden temperature change, and then anything is going to crack. Because when you're done with the stone, you do not right away rush it into a dishwasher, and you do not turn on the tap. You just kind of let it sit until it's lukewarm, and then you wash it. So what's great about this? Well, it's non-stick. It's usable on both sides. The edges are a little bit sharp on one side, but they are beveled. Now we like to make our pizza right on the stone. So this is my recipe that I've been using for like 15 years. It requires a pita. You take your sauce, you smooth it all out. Make sure you go all the way to the edges. If you have any seasonings that you like paprika, parsley, basil, and chili flakes, put them on. Now in terms of toppings, we have prepared some. I always put my onions first. We love onions. We got some peppers, tomato, some mushroom, and then our meat always goes on top. Our cheese, which is going to just keep everything nice and melted. If you slide them here, you can put one here and another one there. Now you place this in 6 minutes. That's all hour because it's already heated up to 450 degrees. All right, so that looks absolutely delicious. So we are going to take this out with this silicone glove, and we are going to just put this on here. Look at that. It just moves around. If it had been on this, you'd have to use a spatula or a fork or something, and likely it would stick to the pan, and it just creates layer on top of layer on top of layer, and that is what is eventually going to burn later, and that's not healthy for you. As you can see, nothing sticking. Beautiful. Now let's quickly see if we can get the thermometer here. It's still high, means it's really hot to touch. So you definitely do not want to just take the pizza off and then put this under the cold water because it will crack. And of course, you can cut directly on the stone and it's not gonna slide around. See that? And it's not even leaving any marks. We are at 83.4 Celsius. We'll just do another one. 72. So it's warmer here than it is here, and that's probably because the pizza was covering this so it didn't get as hot because of course the heat went and transferred in to the pizza. Pita Pizza. See, 63, 82, 78. Yep, so all around here is hotter. Anywhere there was a pizza should be colder. Yeah. This is meant for pizza, but if you're gonna be baking muffins or something like that, then you can put muffins on here as well, like those little paper cups, for example, if you really want it. So in conclusion, this is a pretty inexpensive and cool addition to my kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.